Have you ever heard that the camera adds 10 pounds? Mean, right? What about that it steals 20% of your energy? What? It's true. When you talk across the table from your clients, you feed off the energy in the room. In video, you're all by yourself. So what do you do about it? Every one of our Idea Kit clients gets the same advice. Bring 20% more energy to your delivery. Now, how do you do that? I liken it to reading a bedtime story. This means adding emphasis to keywords and pausing for impact. I like to put my keywords in bold type when I use a teleprompter. This way, it cues me to add emphasis. And of course, adding some dramatic pauses lets that information really soak in. It's a big neon arrow saying, hey, this is important, pay attention. And you will want to practice your script a couple of times. You need to know what the next sentence is going to be so you don't end on a weird inflection. Have you ever heard someone end every sentence going up like this? Sounds like even a statement is a question? Well, that's a no-no. Remember, it's not about perfection. It's about being authentic. Want a helping hand with your video marketing? Check out Idea Kit.